Hey guys, we're here today in Maui, and we're going to be showing you how to assemble the new Naish Hydrofoil. As you can see, the package comes with 5 short screws and 3 long screws. The 5 short ones, 3 will be attached to the front wing, 2 will be attached for the back wing. The 3 long ones, they will be attached to the mast. Let's start. It's very simple, and I also would recommend thread locks, which I don't have here today, but if you can go to a hardware store, that can be used to secure firmly the screws. So now you have the fuselage and the wings set up. Now you're going to attach the mast and the 3 screws on the bottom. Also, I would like you to notice there's an arrow and should be facing forward, facing the front wing. Make sure all the screws are firmly attached, and now you have Naish Hydrofoil ready to fly.